Wait, what are you doing? Are you trying to cover up your acne marks with a concealer? Trying to hide them? You are not just covering up your scars, you are masking your self-doubt. But guess what? Today, we are not concealing, we are healing. Trust me, I faced this battle too, and today I'm sharing with you some budget-friendly products in my skincare routine that have personally helped me to fade my acne scars. And the best part, you don't need to visit an expensive dermatologist to get them. These are easily available at online retail stores like Amazon, Nykaa, Tira, Flipkart, etc. or even at your local stores and pharmacies. So watch this video right till the very end to know about the best skincare routine products for oily skin. Let's dive in. For a morning routine, the first step would be to use a very good cleanser. So I'm here using the Be Body Wise 2% salicylic acid face wash. I use this every morning and honestly, it's been a total game changer. The salicylic acid is fantastic for breaking down the buildup of dead skin cells and unclogging your pores. Ever since I started using it, I've noticed a significant reduction in breakouts. The texture feels really nice. It has a light, foamy feel that leaves my skin feeling refreshed. I love that it does not strip my skin of the moisture. Instead, it preps my face for the day. Plus, it has a very subtle, pleasant scent that makes my morning routine feel a little more special. This cleanser has helped me to maintain clearer skin, which is so important for preventing those stubborn acne scars. It feels like the perfect way to start my day on the right note. Next step in the routine is to use a serum. The Dermaco 10% niacinamide serum is a form of the vitamin B3 that visibly reduces acne marks. It helps to fade the dark spots and the post-acne hyperpigmentation, making your skin look clearer. So if you have oily skin or if you suffer from frequent breakouts, this serum balances excess oil production. Niacinamide regulates the oil glands, reducing breakouts. Plus, it contains zinc PCA, which controls the inflammation and combats the acne-causing bacteria. It's lightweight, not at all greasy, and it absorbs very quickly without leaving your skin feeling sticky. After cleansing, just use 2 to 3 drops in the morning and you will notice a difference in no time. Lighter scars and smoother skin. Last step in the morning routine is to use a sunscreen. Never ever skip sunscreen. Any scar fading routine is totally incomplete without it. The sun's UV rays can darken your scars. A great affordable option is the Dot & Key Vitamin C Water Fluid Sunscreen. It's totally lightweight, non-greasy, and perfect for daily use. Make sure to apply the sunscreen every 2 to 3 hours if you are out in the sun. This step is important for your acne scar treatment journey. Now, let's talk about the nighttime routine. After a long day, I love reaching out for the CeraVe Hydrating Gentle Cleanser. This one is like a warm hug for my face after all the environmental stressors of the day. It's packed with ceramides and hyaluronic acid, which means it's super duper hydrating. I've had nights where my skin has felt tight and dry, but this cleanser washes away all the dirt and makeup without compromising on my skin's moisture barrier. I genuinely feel like it replenishes my skin, leaving it feeling soft and smooth. And what I love the most about it is that it prepares my skin so beautifully for the other products that I apply at night. I wake up feeling so refreshed and my skin looks much healthier. It really supports my overall skincare goals, especially when it comes to healing those acne scars. Next up in the night routine is Bio Oil, which is a specialist in scar treatment. It helps to fade away both the old and new scars, whether it's from acne, surgery, or even minor injuries. And it does not require any kind of medical prescription to purchase. Ingredients like vitamin A and E rejuvenate your skin and it helps with pigmentation and uneven skin tone. Its lightweight formula is perfect for daily use and it does not feel greasy. In fact, it leaves your skin feeling very moisturized. Being non-comedogenic, it won't clog your pores. And it's hypoallergenic, which makes it suitable even for sensitive skin types. With this, the night skincare routine for oily skin comes to an end. I have recently made a video where I have talked about the top 10 best rated products for acne scars treatment. Do check that out to know the most effective over-the-counter acne scars removal products in 2024. I'm pasting the link to the video right over here as well as in the description box below. Remember, fading acne scars takes time. Don't expect instant results in a week or a month. It's a slow process that requires consistency and patience. If you stick to your routine, you'll start to see improvements in just a few months. That's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, do like, share, and subscribe for more skincare tips. See you in my next video. Bye.